Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook and verifying whether Excel prompts for a password or simply prevents editing. Once done, go to the Review tab to spot Protect Sheet or Protect Workbook controls. These indicate sheet-level locks. Make sure file info does not list encryption, because that is a different removal process. If the file is encrypted, you'll need the original password. Otherwise, proceed to remove sheet or workbook protection as the next step. You now remove protections that control editing and structure. If a sheet is protected, select Review Unprotect Sheet and enter the password when prompted. This removes cell and formatting locks. For workbook structure locks, choose Review Unprotect Workbook and supply the password to enable adding or removing sheets. If Excel asks for a password you don't have, stop and use a backup copy or a trusted recovery method. Forcing removal can corrupt the file. You finish by removing any saved file-level password. Go to File Info Protect Workbook Encrypt with Password, then delete the password text and click OK to clear encryption. Next, save as a new file name to preserve the original until you confirm success. Reopen the new file to ensure Excel no longer requests a password and sheet/workbook protections are gone. If something goes wrong, like corruption or persistent prompts, restore from the backup you made earlier and retry the safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.